Welcome to Fair Tutorial. Let's make this arch structure design in Blender. So we are in Blender now. So first of all, select all. So press A and delete. So go to the numpad 1. Shift plus A, mesh, cube. So scale up to here like this. Scale into Z direction as well. So Control A, rotation scale. So go to the edit mode and select this one, both edges, and Control B for bevel. So use the mouse cursor, center cursor, to add some edges. So this is okay now. So go to the shade smooth and go to the numpad 3 and scale into y-axis. So this thickness is okay for me. So select this one, shift plus D, duplicate and scale. Press S to scale. So something like this is okay. And go to the edit mode and move it on downside. And so scale into y-axis. Okay. Control Shift B. It's boolean, so we use the difference one, and it is okay. So select these edges, this base, Control Shift D and press P as a selection. So it will separate. So hide this one and separate both one. So P selection. So select both one, Control A, rotation scale, and select this one. Set origin to center of mass. Set origin to center of mass. Okay. So select this one. So scale into X direction. And scale into Y direction. Okay, so press edit mode. So scale into Z axis. This thickness is okay. Control A, rotation scale, shade, smooth. Okay, so select this one, hide this one. So select then the shift plus S, cursor to select it. So delete this one and shift plus D, duplicate. So shift plus S, selection to cursor. And now it's time to add some bevel. So go to the modifier and generate bevel. Okay, so we have bevel up to 0.05. Add some vertices, so 5 is okay for me. So again apply. So we have to select all and select this one, Control L, and copy modifiers. So it will apply all the modifiers. So this one, Control A, rotation scale, so it will fix the bevel. Okay, and select both Z axis and shift plus D, Z axis. Okay, so scale Z a little bit more, Control A, rotation scale. So Control A, rotation scale, Control A, rotation scale. So it will fix the bevel, actually, this feature. So that's it. And now it's the part of material. So select this one, go to the simple material, so base material, and we will use this beige color, a little less, like this, a little bit metallic, and make little bit roughness. So okay, that's okay. And again apply the material here. So select all. This one, Control L, link material, and just make the color a little bit like this. Yeah, this is a white color. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. You will get a lot easy tutorial regarding Blender, SolidWorks, and some 3D animation on this channel. Thank you for watching and for your support.